Hi, welcome back to hostboxcse channel. Back and back to the tutorial. Today I'm going to start a new session called operating system. So one of the important area in the computer science engineering. So this is a tutorial we are going to discuss based on the syllabus. Today we are just introduction, only syllabus discussion, and what is meant by what. This is a tutorial definitely helpful for college level, university level, competitive exam like GATE, NET, NIELT, whatever the competitive exam, definitely helpful for you. Let's discuss. Let's start discussion today. Only syllabus and what is meant by what, and you have idea. Definitely you'll get idea what is what and so on. So generally what is operating system, you can say just simply you can say please kindly take paper and pen. If you have doubts you can write it, because some of the things I'm not going to show here. You can write it when saying explain here. So what is operating system, you can say it's interface between the user user in say interface between the hardware and software. User, hardware and software, you can say simply define what is operating system, because can you imagine any computer without operating system? It's not possible today. We are getting the new versions like the Windows XP, Windows 2000 and so on. So many variety of operating systems available today. So as a stream of computer engineering, you should know everything here. So let's go discussing here. Here, the syllabus includes the topics like basic introduction, process scheduling, process synchronization, deadlocks and threads, memory management, disk scheduling, Unix commands, or Linux commands. At last, file management and security. Let's see one by one what is what here. So first basic introduction. Here we are going to discuss what is mean by operating system and what are the types of operating system like batch operating system, real time operating system, multitasking, multi user, all the difference also, and process diagram. What is mean by process? Okay, what is thread and have idea about thread, and what are the process states available in the operating system and so on. And we have to see about the system calls. Let's see everything clearly with upcoming session. And process scheduling. Here we have to see what is process. So when you go operating system, you have to know what is process, and you know what is program. And here we are going to say difference between what is process and program also. And some of the very important, the question is what is scheduling. The second topic and the eighth topic I make in different colors because these are very important and must. If you go any competitive university level must, you should be prepared well and well. So I am highlighting in different color, and you have to see what is scheduling and the algorithms. What are scheduling algorithm like before HAF, round robin, and periodic scheduling and so on. See one by one the upcoming sessions. And next one is process synchronization. Here we are going to discuss what is semaphore and what are the types of semaphores like counting semaphore and so on. The types of semaphores like the binary semaphore, counting semaphore, and etc. Then deadlocks and threads, very important. So here, what is deadlock and how to handle the deadlock? How to handle the deadlock here? How to prevent the deadlock? How to avoid? And thread, what is that? How do you avoid? How to solve? And what are the bankers algorithm available? How it will help you to solve these kind of problems in the operating system and so on. Then wherever required we go for diagram. And memory management, in the memory management discuss one by one like paging, segmentation, fragmentation, where consists of internal fragmentation and external fragmentation, and very important topic called virtual memory and page replacement. So this is a very important virtual memory and page replacement. That's what I highlighted in some other color. So what's your virtual memory, why so much important, page replacement algorithm. So these kind of topics we may discuss a little bit in the area of computer architecture and organization. That is different. This is different. And then virtual memory can say some of the physical address stored extra in the computer. Then discuss scheduling. Here in discuss scheduling, we are going to discuss about the algorithm like scan, CS scan, FCFS, and so on. Then Unix commands or Linux commands. So this is not much important for GATE exam, but somewhat important for NET, UGC, and some of the competitive exams or some university level, college level exams. Even EC, stream of CSA, IT, stream of EC, MCA, BE, whatever that. Then here this Linux commands or Unix commands, we are going to discuss the basic commands like DOS commands, MS-DOS commands like mkdir, cddr, ls, and so on. What is the purpose command and so on. At last, file management security. Here we discuss at last what is file management, what is file, what kind of security provided by the operating system, what are the service provided by the operating system, the functions of operating system says, and so on, and extend the security various concept network, little bit network area, and also password concept. The password like today we are seeing everywhere this one time password, and all the parameters will be discussed in the category of file management security. So at last I'm saying and repeating, this operating system you have to study, must study is process scheduling and memory management concept. So any question, every year gate uses question asking means every year there will be some of the questions come from this compulsory area, whether it's average student or below average student. If you want to crack the gate or competitive exam, definitely you would study these concepts definitely. Wish you all the best. If you have any queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with the social media. And thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, press bell icon for more updates. Thank you.